It's me, Ashley Alexandra, and I'm back again with another video. So if you like to see this look, this wet, sleek look, just stay tuned and continue watching this video. Curls give me life. Oh, see, definition, edges laid. What more can you ask for? I'm gonna upload this video, but it's good to have a video just in case something happen. Lord forbid you have something so you can like upload. If you guys understand what I mean, I meant like if I get too, you know how life can get. So in case I get too caught up and not be able to record anything, I have this video to upload. All I'm using. However, you can use as much gel as you feel like. It's entirely up to you. I normally don't use gel in my hair, but except for the front, but to actually curl my hair, we'll see how it actually turn out. Are you seeing this definition? Okay, I see you. I think the roots need some, right guys? Yeah, I think so. Pattern when I have in product, you guys see. There's a mixture. Okay. And if you need more water, simply apply. My water having oil, the Cream of Nature Essential 7 oil treatment, coconut milk. Yeah, so that is what's inside my spray bottle. I haven't put any conditioner inside of it because conditioner finished. That's okay. Payday is tomorrow, so you're gonna get some hair products. I'm wondering if I should do another, I'm wondering if I should do another colorful challenge. You know, I don't understand and I find it strange. I honestly felt like I would have reached more watch hours than subscribers. Like it would have taken me longer to gain subscribers instead of views. But I started in February, and I already gained 1,000 subs, right? I have 1,000 subs, and like they're not active. So if you guys are watching this video, please be active. Like I don't understand like how you can have so much subscribers and not be active. And the reason I got so much subscribers honestly is that whole small YouTubers support each other kind of thing. And when I just started, like when I just started, right, I used to go on I used to go on like YouTubers page and like comment sub for sub, sub for sub, and yeah, that's how I actually gained so much subscribers. Or not even sub for sub. I would be like, check out my video, and they would like send me a screenshot that it actually sub, and I'll be like, thank you, and it'll be like, if you don't mind subbing to my channel. But it all depends. Like I wouldn't like sub to like anybody. I have to be like interested in your channel to actually subscribe to it. Or some people I just like watch, because some people already had like over 1,000 subscribers, so they wasn't worried about like the views and what's not. I saw, so yeah, I saw, what my friend name is again? Kish. If you guys don't know her name, I think it's Kish is Carib, or Kish the Carib. But anyway, yeah, her she have a YouTube channel. So if you guys would like check it out, check her out. But anyways, I saw her did this flat C, like really divine, and I was like, I'm gonna try this because using natural stuff to curl your hair is like a benefit, because it has so much pros inside of it. It moisturizes the hair, make your hair grow, and all that kind of good stuff. Instead of like, nothing wrong with using products, but sometimes when you use something natural, it's more beneficial. Cause you know, when you use too much product, you have clog up your follicles, and that is why we always have to do a wash day to remove all the dirt, but not the dirt, but all the hair products from our hair and all that good bad stuff. So yeah, I like it to touch me, but yeah. So you guys want a wet look, so we're going about to give you guys a wet look right now. Sleek it back. We're gonna slick it back now. I don't really like to slick back my hair because your girl got big forehead and what's not, but yeah. You see, my forehead is extremely big. This is why I don't like doing this like slick kind of look. So yeah, and I'll be right back.